Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Dakota, the place where we uncover the juicy details hidden in corporate filings to see if these companies are really what they seem. And today we're looking at EA Corporation's latest report. And let me tell you, there is a subtle shift happening that you absolutely need to know about. Before we dive in, if you appreciate getting straight, simple insights from these complex corporate documents, make sure you are subscribed. Also, we have a growing Discord community linked right down in the description below where we discuss these filings and more. So what is the big news here is that EA Corporation, which you might know by its ticker symbol EASHE, is upgrading its trading status. Think of it like moving from a smaller local road to a more established highway. They are moving from the OTCD market to the OTCQX marketplace. This might sound like a small change, but it really signals a step up in how the company is viewed and how easily investors can trade its shares. The shares will still be traded under the same ticket symbol EASHE. So for existing investors, the ticker you're used to seeing stays the same, but the place where everyone finds those real-time quotes is changing to the OTCQX platform. Starting today, they will no longer be available on the OTCD, meaning they are now exclusively traded and quoted on this higher tier quotation system. Now, why does this matter to you? Well, the OTCQX market is definitely a more prestigious tier within the broader OTC markets. The OTC market group, which runs these marketplaces, is a huge system for buying and selling stocks that aren't listed on the big exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange. The whole idea behind the OTC designation is to make it easier for investors to find companies that are regularly reporting their financial information to the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or CCSO. When a company moves to OTCQX, it is a positive sign that they are meeting stricter reporting standards and are more transparent with their investors. It's like getting a better rating on your report card, making you more attractive to a wider range of investors. This announcement falls under something called other events in their report, which is usually where companies disclose important information that doesn't fit neatly into other categories. In this case, the other event is this significant trading upgrade. It's not about a new product or a major financial loss or gain, but it is crucial for the perception and accessibility of the company's stock. For investors, this upgrade often means increased visibility and potentially more liquidity, which is a good thing. The report also reminds us about what kind of securities the company has registered. Currently, its common stock is registered and trades under the symbol IEH on the OTC ID. This is the fundamental ownership stake in the company that most people think about when they invest. Now, a common part of these filings is the list of exhibits attached. In this report, we see Exhibit 99.1, which is the press release that was issued on the 20th of February 2026, detailing this very upgrade. Think of this press release as the official announcement that everyone is referencing. Then there is Exhibit 104. The cover page interactive data file, this is essentially a digital overlay that makes the filing searchable and easier for computers to read and process, which is vital for regulatory bodies and financial data providers. It is not something everyday investors usually look at, but it is part of the machine that makes these reports work. Finally, at the end of the report, we have the signature section. This is where the company officially signs off on the accuracy of the information provided. Here, Subrata Pakayastha, who holds the title of Chief Financial Officer, has signed on behalf of EA Corporation. The date of this signature is the 20th of February 2026. Aligning with the effective date of the trading upgrade, this signature is a formal declaration that the company stands behind everything stated in this report. So, looking at this filing, the main story isn't about massive financial shifts or dramatic strategic moves, but rather a significant step in how IC Corporation presents itself to the market. The move to the OTCQX marketplace is a clear indicator of the company's desire to be seen as a more established, transparent, and accessible investment. This upgrade suggests increased confidence from management in the company's reporting and its ongoing operations, making it potentially more attractive to a broader investor base. While there aren't detailed financial tables in this particular report focusing on other events, the move itself implies a foundation of reliable financial reporting, which is precisely what the OTCQX tier demands. It's a positive signal for stability and a step towards potentially greater growth and investor engagement in the future. Alright, that is our breakdown of EA Corporation's latest filing. What is your take on this trading upgrade and what it could mean for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below if this simple explanation of corporate jargon was valuable to you. Hitting that like button really helps us out, and don't forget to subscribe for more direct insights from these filings. Also check out the Discord link in the description to join the conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.